Renovating's hard work, but with quality Samsung appliances, finishing the job is easy. Take the quiet direct drive washing machine. The motor is very quiet as it doesn't use belts or gears. And reduced vibrations means it's even more reliable. Just one example of Samsung making your life simpler. Another smart feature, the diamond drum. So gentle it prevents clothes from getting caught or damaged.
Australia Post at Netley are busy working overtime to make sure our Christmas parcels arrive in time. Now this month they've processed a record number of parcels thanks to online Christmas shopping. They told me that the other day they processed 80,000 here at Netley alone in one day. So if you have parcels to post, you're not out of time just yet. Make sure you pop them in the post tonight or at the very latest tomorrow to make sure they arrive in time. Now let's take a look at tonight's weather photo. It was sent in by Nathan Howe of Inglewood. Nathan captured this spectacular shot of the sunset from his back doorstep at Inglewood, looking over the hills back towards the city. So thank you very much, Nathan. And if you have a weather photo you'd like to send in, make sure you send it through to the address on screen now. Today, Adelaide's top was 24.1 degrees at 2 this afternoon. Our low was 14.4 at 6 this morning, and right now it's 22. Across the suburbs, it reached 24 degrees at Elizabeth, 25 degrees at Murray Bridge, Mount Barker 23, and 22 degrees in both Noarlunga and Glenelg. Around the state, maximum temperatures range from 18 degrees at Mount Gambier up to a very hot 37 degrees at Oodnadatta. Interstate, there were some showers about in Melbourne and Darwin. It was a very hot day in Alice Springs, and it was fine in the other major centres. If we take a look at the satellite photo now, you can see some cloud gradually clearing from the southeast. Some cloud is forming near the Western Australian border, which is causing some isolated storms over western parts of our state. And the greatest chance of rain tomorrow is over the east coast. Interstate tomorrow, there'll be some showers about in Sydney, Canberra and Brisbane, and storms are expected for Darwin and Alice Springs. Back home, expected maxima range from 23 degrees in Kingscote up to 35 degrees in Roxby Downs. For the suburbs, 30 degrees is forecast for both Elizabeth and Murray Bridge, 27 for Mount Barker, 28 for Noarlunga, and a top of 29 degrees is expected for Glenelg. On local waters, south to southeasterly winds 10 to 15 knots, increasing in the afternoon, and seas rising to 1.5 metres. The state forecast for tomorrow includes isolated showers and thunderstorms northwest of Woomera. There'll be some light to moderate northeasterly to southeasterly winds and some afternoon sea breezes. Looking at Adelaide now, a fine and sunny summer's day for tomorrow, about time. Down to 17 tonight and then up to 30 degrees tomorrow. And then it will continue to warm up right into the week, up to 32 degrees on Thursday and a sunny 34 degrees on Friday. Now looking at Christmas Eve, a very hot 37 degrees, and it will stay hot for Christmas Day. The Bureau is forecasting 36 degrees with a chance of a few spots of rain later in the day. And then a cool change will move through, bringing the temperature down to 27 degrees on Boxing Day with a chance of a morning shower, and then clearing up on Tuesday with a top of 23 degrees.